Hey investors, if you're using investing.com or looking for better stock research tools, you probably spotted their premium tiers, Pro and Pro Plus. But which one is actually worth it? Let's break it down. So Investing Pro is the premium analytics platform for investing.com. They offer two levels, Pro and Pro Plus. The core idea is that both plans give you more data and tools than the free version. But Pro Plus steps things up significantly. Pricing varies by region and billing annually versus monthly, and there are frequent discounts. Here's a side by side of what you get. For Pro, it has AI-powered stock picks, fair value estimates of stocks, access to around 100 fundamental metrics per stock, and ad-free experience and basic screeners. For Pro Plus, it includes everything in Pro and an additional 1200 plus metrics per stock, 10 plus years of historical data versus shorter for Pro, exporting data such as Excel and CSV, advanced screeners, dividend and earnings tools, and more customization, deeper research, and intended for serious investors. But which one should you choose? Choose Pro if you are relatively new to investing or invest occasionally and want solid data and insights without overwhelming complexity and are budget sensitive and don't require ultra deep metrics. Choose Pro Plus if you are an active trader or manage a large portfolio, want in-depth financial modeling, export features, very detailed metrics, or global stock coverage, and need tools for serious analysis, not just service level research. A few things to keep in mind. Some users on Reddit say even Pro isn't giving them enough for what they paid. One wrote, "The things they do not show me because of being in the Pro Plus version, I find them for free elsewhere." There are complaints about cancellation issues or unexpected billing, and investing.com's terms say no refunds for paid subscriptions. So, which subscription is better? If you're just getting started or invest part time, Pro likely gives you more than enough bang for your buck. If you need serious research power, global coverage, export features, and deep metrics, Pro Plus is justified. But always ask, I actually use the extra feature. If not, Pro might be the smarter, more cost effective choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.